Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Venu tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Garmin Venu with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. Now the Garmin Venu actually has the ability to store music internally on the watch. And if you'd like to learn how to do that, check the description because I do have a tutorial covering how to do that. So what that does is allow you to listen to music directly from the Garmin Venu, so if you're on a run or something like that, you don't have to bring your phone with you to listen to music. Now in order to listen to any music you have stored on your Garmin Venu, you're going to have to pair it with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. So to get started with pairing our Garmin Venu with a pair of Bluetooth headphones, the first thing we need to do is simply turn on our Bluetooth headphones and put them in pairing mode. Now each pair of Bluetooth headphones will be different, but typically you can put them in pairing mode by simply holding down the power button on the headphones a couple seconds past when they turn on. So I'll hold them down right here. They turned on, and now they're in pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, usually they blink. As you can see with these, they're blinking red and blue. So now on my Garmin Venu, what I need to do is turn on the watch face. And then when the watch face is on, hold down the bottom right button to open the menu. In the menu, I'm going to scroll down, select the gear to get into the settings. And then in the settings, I'm going to select music. So once music comes up, go ahead and select headphones. And then in here, all we need to do is go to add new. It's going to search for the headphones that we just turned on and put in pairing mode. You want to ensure right now, if they're not coming up on your Venu, that your headphones are indeed in pairing mode. Alright, so the headphones have come up. These are the MPOW 059s. So all I need to do now is select them. Then it's going to connect to them. You'll see the blinking lights on your headphones turn off once it connects. So right there, they're connected, as you can see on the Venu. And now our Garmin Venu is paired with our Bluetooth headphones. So now when we go back to the music settings right here, what you want to do is make sure that you have the music providers selected so that it's either My Music, which will be any internal files like MP3s that you have stored on the watch, or you could put it on Spotify or Deezer or something like that. So I'm going to go to My Music, and then I'll play all songs. And I don't know if you can hear that in the headphones, but the music from my Garmin Venu is playing through my Bluetooth headphones. So that's how you connect your Garmin Venu with a pair of Bluetooth headphones. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Venu tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.